Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that I'm super excited about, teeth whitening. Everyone loves a bright, white smile, right? But before we get into our top 3 natural remedies for teeth whitening, I have a special recommendation for those who want faster results. This is the LED teeth whitening system, and it's been a game changer for me. It uses advanced LED light technology to give you a dazzling smile in no time. I've been using it, and the results are amazing. If you're interested, check out the link in the description below to get yours. Now, let's get into those natural remedies. All right, let's start with our first natural remedy. Number 1 on our list is baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. These two ingredients are commonly found in many homes. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that can help scrub away surface stains on your teeth, while hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent. Mix a small amount of baking soda with a few drops of hydrogen peroxide to make a paste. Brush your teeth with this paste for about 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Do this a few times a week, and you'll notice a difference in no time. Next up, we have coconut oil pulling. Coconut oil pulling is an ancient technique that helps remove bacteria from your mouth, which can help reduce plaque and make your teeth appear whiter. Simply take a tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it around in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. Spit it out, rinse with water, and then brush your teeth as usual. It might feel a bit weird at first, but the results are worth it. And finally, our third remedy is strawberry and baking soda paste. Strawberries contain malic acid, which is a natural enamel whitener. Combined with baking soda, this paste can help remove surface stains on your teeth. Mash up a ripe strawberry and mix it with baking soda to form a paste. Apply this to your teeth and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Brush it off with your regular toothpaste, and you're good to go. There you have it, 3 natural remedies to help you achieve a whiter, brighter smile. Remember, consistency is key with these natural methods, and patience will definitely pay off. But if you're looking for faster results, don't forget to check out the LED teeth whitening system. It's a safe, effective, and quick way to get that dazzling smile. The link is in the description below, so be sure to grab yours today. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tricks. Comment below with your favorite teeth whitening methods, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep smiling.